have resistor color coding and decoding. Resistor color coding is a method of using colored bands to easily identify a resistor's resistive value and its percentage tolerance. Generally, the resistance value, tolerance, and wattage rating are printed on the body of a resistor as numbers or letters when the resistor's body is big enough to read the print, such as large power resistors. But when a resistor is smaller, example 1/4 watt, carbon or film type, the print is too small to read, so the specification must be shown in another manner. Resistor decoding, it involves translating the color value to band colors of the resistor. For better understanding of the table, let us first identify the first significant digit. In the standard 4-band resistors, the first two bands indicate the two most significant digits of the resistor's value. The third band is a weight value which multiplies the two significant digits. The final band indicates the tolerance of the resistor. The standard rule of identifying the first significant color or band is the closest to the left-hand position of the resistor. Tolerance. Tolerance of a resistor tells how far, in percentage, from its nominal value the actual measured resistance of that resistor. It means the actual value of the resistor is specified to be within plus or minus 10% of the nominal value. In this resistor, the first band is the leftmost band, that is the first color from the left hand of the three colors near from each other. In this resistor, the first band is yellow. Another resistor, we can notice that the bands are arranged in almost equal distance. The first band is the nearest to the left-hand position, that is color green. Another resistor, the first band is the color brown, nearest from the left-hand position. Take note that a resistor has 4 color bands. In the absence of the fourth color, it means that the tolerance is positive, negative 20%. Because there are only 3 colors in this resistor, so it is automatic positive, negative 20% tolerance. There is no need for further determination. This is the actual table for resistor color coding, known as resistor color coding table or resistor color coding chart. For the first column, we have the colors. First color is black, followed by brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, and none. None means that a resistor, if there is no color for tolerance, meaning that is automatic positive, negative 20% for tolerance. That is why there is no color for the fourth band, which says none or no color. Then for the second column, we have the first significant digit, or that is known also as first significant figure, or that is known also as first band. For the first significant digit, we have black. The equivalent of black is 0, then brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, then blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, white is 9, then for gold, silver, and none, of course, there is no equivalent for the first significant digit or first band or first significant figure. For the second significant digit or second significant figure or second band, black is 0, then brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, then green is 5, blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, white is 9, gold, silver, and none. There is no equivalent. For the multiplier, black is 1, brown is 1 0, red is 2 zeros, orange is 3 zeros, yellow is 4 zeros, green is 5 zeros, blue is 6 zeros, violet is 7 zeros, gray is 8 zeros, white is 9 zeros, gold is 0.1, silver is 0.01, none is, there is no equivalent for the multiplier. For the tolerance, black is, there is no equivalent. For tolerance, brown is positive negative 1%, red is positive negative 2%, orange is positive negative 3%, yellow is positive negative 4%, green is positive negative 0.5%, then blue is positive negative 0.25, violet is positive negative 0.10, gray is positive negative 0.05%, white is, there is no equivalent for tolerance. For gold, the tolerance of gold is positive negative 5%, then silver is positive negative 10% for tolerance, then none is positive negative 20% for tolerance. Take note that in resistor color coding, there is no color black, gold, and silver for the first band. Then for the second band, there is no color which is gold and silver for the second band. That is an exemption, or that is a rule in resistor color coding. Let's proceed to different examples in resistor color coding and decoding.
This is a resistor color coding. We have brown, red, orange, and gold. Brown is for the first significant digit, then red is for the second significant digit, then orange is the multiplier, then gold is the tolerance. For the first digit, brown is 1, then for the second digit or band, red is 2, third band is orange, that is equal to 1000, serves as the multiplier. Then gold is, for the tolerance of gold is positive and negative 5%. To solve this, combine brown and red, that is equal to 12, then that is multiplied by 1000. In 0, 0, 0, 1 times 2, that is 2, then 1 times 1, that is 1. Cancel the 3 zeros, brown, red, orange, gold, that is equal to 12 key ohms, positive negative 5%. That is the equivalent of the resistor having a color of brown, red, orange, gold. The actual equivalent is 12 k ohms, positive negative 5%. 5% for the tolerance. Another example, we have red, orange, black, and silver. Red is 2, orange is 3, black is 1, then silver is positive, negative, 10% for the tolerance. Combine the first and second band, that is 23, and multiplied by 1, that is equal to 23. Therefore, red, orange, black, and silver is equal to 23 ohms, positive, negative, 10%. Another example, we have blue, gray, red. Blue is 6, gray is 8, and red is 100 for the multiplier. Then for the fourth band, which is a tolerance, the color for the fourth band is none. Therefore, that is automatic, positive, negative, 20%. Combine the first and second band, that is 68, multiplied by 100. That is 1 times 8, that is 8, and that is 68. Cancel the 2 zeros, that is equal to 6.8 ohms, positive, negative, 20%. Or you can write 6 8 ohms, positive, negative, 20%. Remember that in electronics and resistor color coding, K stands for 1000 and MIG or mega stands for million. Another example, red, black, then gold for the tolerance. Red is 2, black is 0 for the second band. For the third band, that is black, this is equal to 1. Then for the tolerance, which is gold, that is positive, negative, 5%. Combine the first band and second band, then multiply by 1. The answer is 1 times 0, then 1 times 2, that is 20. Therefore, a resistor having a color of red, black, gold, the actual value is 20 ohms, positive, negative, 5%. Another example for resistor color coding, we have yellow, orange, gold, then silver. Yellow is 4, orange is 3, gold is 0.1 for the multiplier, silver is positive, negative, 10%. Combine the first and second band, that is 43, multiplied by 0.1, that is 1 times 3, and 1 times 4, and count 1 piece, it is 4.3. The actual value of a resistor having the color of yellow, orange, gold, and silver is equal to 4.3 ohms, positive, negative 10%. Then we have resistor decoding. First example is (470 ohms), positive, negative 20%. For the first band is yellow. Then 7 for the second band is violet. For the multiplier, in this case, we need 4 zeros. For the multiplier, having 4 zeros is yellow. Then for the tolerance, the color is none or no color because the tolerance is positive, negative 20%. To have a solution, yellow is 4, then violet is 7. Then for the multiplier, as I said, we need 4 zeros. So this is yellow, which is equivalent is 10,000. So 47 multiplied by 10,000, that is equal to 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1 times 7, then 1 times 4, that is equal to 470,000. Cancel the 3 zeros. The answer is 470k ohms, positive, negative 20%. Or you can write directly the 4 zeros. Let's say combine yellow and violet, that is 47. Then you can write directly the 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and cancel. So your answer is, or our answer is still 470k ohms, positive, negative 20%. Another example is 33 ohm, positive, negative 5%. Now for the first band, that is 3, so that is orange. Then another 3, that is orange. Then the multiplier is 2 decimal. For the multiplier having 2 decimals is silver. Then positive, negative 5%, that is gold. To check this, orange is 3, then another orange is 3. In silver, the multiplier for silver is 0.01. In gold is positive, negative 5%. So this is 3. Combine the first and second band. 33 is multiplied by 0.01. So that is 3 and 3 and 0 and 0 and 3 and 3 and 0. Count of places, this is 0.33. So this is equal to 0.33 ohms, positive, negative 5%. Therefore, a resistor having the value of 0.33 ohm, positive, negative 5%, the color is orange, orange, silver, gold. Another example is 1.2 ohms, positive, negative 10%. One is brown. For the first band, the second band is red. Then we need a multiplier, which is a combination of 2 zeros. So we have red, then positive, negative 10%, that is silver. Positive, negative, 10% is intended for silver. To check, brown is 1, then red is 2. Red is 2 zeros. The silver is positive, negative, 10%. We have 12 times 100. The answer is 0, 0, then 2, then 1. This is equal to 1.2 k ohms, positive, negative, 10%. Another is 200 k ohms, positive, negative, 20%. The color is red. Then for the second band, that is 0, this is black. Then we need 4 zeros, that is yellow. And for the tolerance, that is 20%, that is none for the fourth color, or there is no color for the fourth band, which is the tolerance. To check this, we have 2, that is red, then black is 0, then yellow is 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel 3 zeros, that is equal to 200 k ohms, positive, negative, 20%. The equivalent of 200 k ohms, positive, negative, 20% for the color is red, black, yellow. That is for 200 k ohms, positive, negative, 20%. Another example, we have 1.8 k ohms, positive, negative, 5%. One is brown, 8 is gray, then we need 2 zeros. 2 zeros is red, then positive, negative, 5%, that is gold. To check this is brown is 1, gray is 8, then add the 2 zeros. This is 1.8 k. Cancel the 2 zeros. Is equal to 1.8 k ohms, positive, negative, 5%. The color is brown, gray, red, gold. Last example, 1 mega ohms, positive, negative, 20%. One is brown. Then for the second band is 0. We have black. Then we need another 5 zeros for the multiplier, because 1 mega ohms is a combination of 6 zeros. So we have green for the multiplier. Then there is no color for the tolerance, because the tolerance is positive, negative, 20%. To check, brown is 1, black is 0, then green is 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 1 mega ohms, positive, negative, 20%. That is for resistor color coding and decoding.